Create your perfect squeegee with the switch card range by Tri-Edge. These interchangeable squeegees deliver unmatched performance for any installer. Whether installing PPF, vinyl wraps, graphics or window tint, this versatile squeegee has up to 24 different styles to choose from and over 140 combinations through shore and shape to create the perfect squeegee for you for the job in hand. Only premium quality materials are used for a truly smooth surface, resulting in a reduced risk of scratching when used wet or dry. Its finger grips are designed with comfort and control in mind. Despite its range of flexible edge choices, the core is hardened to maintain rigidity no matter how soft your switch card. The D3 helps you apply graphics faster and with ease. It has a curved edge to ensure you're squeegeeing at the optimum 30-degree angle at all times, perfect for concave curves as well as flat surfaces. The unique V3 shaped card has a V-shaped fingered edge that allows a smooth and easy application with even pressure on almost any surface. The edge is thin and tapered, perfect for tucking material into those tricky corners, gaps and seals. The 3-4 is a modern shape, designed to fit in the palm of your hand comfortably during application. It has different angle corners, great for general application and wraps alike. Finally, the 4-4. Traditionally shaped, this switch card is perfectly balanced for effortless application. The upper and lower parts are a perfect reflection, high quality for everyday use. Select your two favourite tools for the job and combine them. Like the soft curved top and the rigid 3-4 base? No problem, let's switch. Unscrew the two low profile screws, loosen with a flathead screwdriver and twist to remove. Flip the switch card and remove the screws receivers. Slide the switch card halves apart. Repeat for your second switch card. Take your two favourite halves and link them together. Align the holes, refit the screws and tighten. And there you have it, a brand new combination in seconds. Save time and work more efficiently by changing your entire squeegee with just the flick of a hand. The possibilities are endless. You can mix and match between every single shape and hardness of the switch card. There are no two parts that are incompatible. Every switch card is supplied with a Tri-Edge squeegee buffer. No 2 days are the same, so why should your squeegees be?